What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope everybody's doing well. Gonna go over our friend Ethereum. Currently, we're sitting at 1369, up 0.7 on the day. Sitting at market cap of 166 billion. 24-hour volume 14.29 billion. Let's hop into the charts. We're gonna start here on the 1 hour time frame. So, in my opinion, we're putting in an ABC correction. Now, we came up and saw rejection off the 0.786, as you can see right here, as well as hitting resistance in a major supply zone. If we zoom out here, you can see we had support here, we had resistance right here. So that's a pretty major level to get rejected from. You can see a strong rejection candle. So now we could focus on a wave 3 target to the downside of 1137 for our friend ETH. If we were to come up and break this high at 1401, it would invalidate that. And all I'd be looking at here is that you've already completed the 5 waves down and you're looking to put in a wave 2 pullback and then see continuation to the downside. But if we fail to break that high, I would expect you to come down here in a wave 3 to 1137. Now, what the bulls are looking at, as I always mention here, is that this is a wave 2 pullback. Even if we were to come down in a wave 5, you'd still be in that wave 2 zone. And now pushing up in a wave 3. I don't think it's likely all the way up to 3K, but I don't want to just be redundant here. So if we do come up and break this high of about 1400, all I would be looking at if I zoom out on this chart here is that the 5-way move was complete. And then you're putting in a wave 2 pullback of the wave 3 to the downside, wave 2, or sorry guys, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, complete wave 3, see wave 4, see wave 5 to take you down to 550 to 650, as I've been mentioning in the videos. Right now, all we're seeing, in my opinion, is just some consolidation. We did see quite swift sell-off here. So we're just consolidating before the next leg down. You can see this as some sort of bear pennant. I don't really like patterns because some people will be like, oh, ascending triangle. You can reshape them and stuff like that. But if you were to see that as a bear pennant, that would take you down here all the way down to about 1118, which lines up very close with our head and shoulders pattern. As I mentioned, head and shoulders in a downtrend is the most highly successful pattern of them all. The one pattern to rule them all. Wow. And as I showed you guys with the previous bear market, let me pop it open on Kraken here. If we go to the previous bear market and you look at the rally that we had, what was the pattern that took form here? Head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, boom, continuation to the downside. So we scroll back to present date, we've had a major rally, head and shoulders pattern, boom, we're seeing continuation to the downside. And I think we'll still continue to the downside all the way down to 400 to 500, or sorry guys, to 550 to 650, which is your next major level of demand. All right, guys, so in the short term, we've seen a perfect ABC for a wave 2 rejection. Let me take away my squiggly here. So what we'd be looking for is a continuation down in wave 3 to 1137. Unless we come up and break this high at about 1400 and we put in an impulsive move to the upside or a 3-way move, then I'd be looking at the wave 1 being complete to the downside and seeing a wave 2 pullback of the wave 3. And that wave 3 target, which is in red, is all the way down here at 804, which would put in a new low for our friend ETH. So that's it for this one. If you want free access to the Discord, sign up to Bybit, my favorite exchange for trading, and email me your sign up email. We have over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. At the $10 membership, you can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits. Just gave a trade signal, so I can't open it up. It's $10 a month. Sign up to the Patreon. Check out my full length tutorial. The sun is shining. Maybe I'll go sit outside for a bit, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.